So to quote one of the professors, Dr. Dugan at the University of North Texas in the Department of Physics, he said, never forget your freshman level physics. Or in other words, he would say, always remember what you learned in the freshman level physics. This is extremely important fundamental information that will help carry you through the rest of your time at UNT and beyond. Hello, my name is Alan Bigelow, and I attended the University of North Texas and received a bachelor's degree, a master's degree, and a Ph.D., all from the same school. In the undergraduate coursework, I took a lot of different classes at UNT, but I settled in as a physics major. After the bachelor's degree, when I went into the master's program, things became more focused in physics alone. And a lot of that was high level of theoretical physics, but at the same time, we were getting our hands dirty and getting into the experimental side of the laboratory work that was available in the department. The Department of Physics has a wonderful accelerator laboratory, a particle accelerator laboratory. And that's where I made my home for several years and stayed there really through my PhD. As someone who didn't have much money to support myself, I wound up finding opportunities for financial support at the University of North Texas in terms of being a teaching fellow, a research assistant, and teaching assistant. There are multiple pathways for that, but it worked out very well for me and a lot of my classmates at the time. I didn't really have anything figured out. I didn't know where I was going to wind up, but I received an email one day from the director at a particle accelerator laboratory at the Columbia University Medical Center. So they were looking for somebody who had skills and experience in particle accelerators and in lasers. And I had both of that. So that was a 15-year career at Columbia University Medical Center. Extremely exciting, published papers, and got to a point then that I was able to transition to a different direction. Found that I'm now working full-time as the science director at Solar Cookers International, which is a non-for-profit organization based in Sacramento, California. It promotes solar cookers worldwide, primarily for people that are in greatest need of solar cookers. So think about people in sub-Saharan Africa, for instance, where cooking is primarily done using wood, and the smoke from burning wood causes a lot of health impacts, and also the environmental degradation from using so much firewood is something that we like to bring another option. I'm also the main representative at the United Nations for Solar Cookers International. So I am based now just outside of New York City, and the headquarters for the United Nations is in Manhattan, the heart of New York City. And that is where we lead our advocacy efforts for Solar Cookers International. Without the high quality education that I received at UNT, I don't think I would be able to have achieved these paths that I've been able to be on.